Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn module 1 and module 2 DF digital fluency related content about DBMS. Okay, this is the part 6 video. Let's begin with the definition section. What is DBMS? See, DBMS is a short form of database management system. Okay, let's break this whole word into parts. Here we have a database, management, and system. Okay, what is management? What is system? Let's see about systems. System is some working area. Like, systems like school systems, college system. There is certain system. There is a functioning happens. Rules are there. There is like a square box. Inside that, arrangements are done. We have to work it. Management system. What is management system? Management system is mainly for managing the activity of that system, that organization. Yes, for example, school management system, hospital management system, and library management system, like that. Then comes about the database. See, leave the database, let's talk about the data. What is data? Data is nothing but a piece of information. For example, if we have many fruits, there is a fruit basket, many fruits. If there is this fruit, I take and I tell this is apple. Okay, many fruits, but the particular about one fruit that I selected is what is the information? It is nothing but it's a apple. Apple is related to that fruit. Like similarly, if someone's name is Kavya, uh, her name is Kavya. Okay, name is Kavya, that is the information about her. Yes, data is nothing but an information, and it's a plural word, and singular form is datum. Okay, then comes about the database. See, database is nothing but a collection of a data. It's a simple, but one more thing is it is a structured, organized. Means data, it collects the data, but systematically it stores, it organizes those things. Means organized collection of a data is nothing but database. Now the term is database management system. What it is? See, there is a place I can store. Yes, there is a place it stores the data in systematic way. Fine. I have a database. I have a data. Okay. Means I have to put the data inside it na. I need something. How can I put? Okay. For that I need a software. DBMS is a software used to store the data inside a database, retrieve it, manipulate it, or to access the database. We need DBMS. Got it? To make the communication between, means a process. It's a path between source to destination, from data to database. That path is that software we need, that is DBMS. And we got to know about DBMS. Now let's see about DBMS have a many types. It can we have a like NoSQL databases, relational databases, hierarchical databases, network databases, graphical based databases, object oriented databases. These are many types of there. Here, try to note the word it says. Hierarchical means the database, the whole system works on the hierarchy process, like linkage from one to next link, like sequential linking formats. Data is stored. And then comes the object oriented. Object oriented means data is stored in object formats. And then comes the relational. See, hierarchical and relational related, but little bit. In hierarchical everything has a link, but in relational there we can have many relations, links, but everything is not linked. These are relational databases. So I have a data, I have a database, I have a DBMS software. Okay, suppose I want to store a data. I have a data, I want to store it inside a database. For that I have a software. Inside that software only database is there. Okay, if I tell store student information up, will it store? Means I have to make a communication with that software, isn't it? For that communication, I need some media. What media I use? I need a language. See, here the language I use is certain. It has to be a computer language. I cannot use a natural talking languages. It has to be a computer language. One of the bestest computer language to communicate with the DBMS is SQL. It is nothing but a structured query language. What we have to do is we write the query, and according to the query, DBMS works. Okay, then comes MySQL. MySQL is one of the software like MongoDB. We have MySQL, NoSQL. MySQL is early developed by Sweden company. Then it is purchased by America Sun Microsystem. Later it is Oracle purchased Sun Microsystem. So currently MySQL is under Oracle. Oracle company owns the MySQL system. Okay, we have a lot of versions. Let's talk about a few of the examples. We have example MySQL, SQL Server, data DBase, RDBMS, NoSQL, and we have a lot of these. What are these? MongoDB. We also, these are nothing but a software. We have to download the software, install it, and we open it. There is a place we have to write the query, that is SQL. Then we have to run it. The next thing is applications, where it is used. See, before going for the purpose of where it is used, let's see about um, what are the uses. Why we more than uses, why we need it? To store the data, we need it. To update the data, we need it. To retrieve the data, we need it. To update, okay, to access the data, means that is retrieval. To do the modifications to the data that is already stored, and to add a new data, to delete the data. For all the purpose, DBMS is very helpful. Where it is used? It is used in many fields. It can be used in, it is used, current time also used. It is used in school systems, in schools, educations, social medias, hospitals, medicines, banking, and this is like airports, railways, bus transports, many places use. What type of application developed that is using in these fields? We in schools, we have a school management system, that is a software. Library management system, hospital management system, that all the data that is stored in those places, like bus ticket reservation, train ticket reservation, airplane ticket reservation, those systems, those are nothing but applications. Here I hope you got the idea of what is a database, DBMS, MySQL, and SQL, and a few examples where it is used. I hope you got concept basic, at least basic about what the idea. I hope you got it. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and comment.